Well, I tell you, it doesn't get much easier than Epson print layout for a newbie at printing. This is pretty exceptional. For me, it's, you know, even setting up custom paper sizes. I set this as a 17 by 25 inch because it fits nicely in the frame. And typically the paper comes as 17 by 22. But on this roll paper, I can print whatever I please to a point. And but most of them, I think that's a nice size, 17 by 25. And I know Red River Paper actually now puts out a 17 by 25. And I'm printing all these on Red River gloss metallic paper. I just like the way it turns out. So for anyone, you know, if you have this Epson print layout, to me is so easy. And, you know, setting up all of the ICC profile down here, I have Red River Polar Metallic Gloss Epson for this printer, and it just does a marvelous job. Second image, the bighorn sheep, is starting to come out. So we've got a total of 4 to print today. Here we go. Well, now I got those 4 images for the wonderful people printed that I'll get delivered to them. And I'm trying an experiment. This is going to be the widest panel that I did from up in the mountains down on the prairies. And it's going to be 17 by 80 inches, I believe, and I could have tried it more. So this is, you know, it's very wide, but I wanted to give it a try. So we are going to see what we get from it. We have, it says here, 24 minutes. If you can read that, 24 minutes remaining to print. Probably take a lot of ink, but I want to get a good feel for ink coverage. And okay, let's see what we get. All right, on our longest image printed from this so far, it's going to be 17 by 80 inches, 6 feet, 8 inches. And I call it I Can See Forever, and it's getting close to being done. It's just, these printers are just amazing. I'll see if I can get the glare off here from the lights up above. Give you an idea. And I'll probably mount this on, mount this one on self-adhesive gator board, because it's going to be a handful to mount. And then I'll varnish it, and it'll hang in, be like a centerpiece for the art show over in Grand Forks and for the gallery. An image like this is something else, and the printer is amazing. Just when you look at this, it's because this table is 6-foot table coming out of that printer, and it's going to have to be over it with the extension from the printer, and the table is still going to be over by 3 or 4 inches. And I'll let it sit dry, as well as these other ones that we just printed. There it is, longest one to date. It's, that is a Panorama. And that Epson software and the Epson printer I'm very satisfied with. And this image is I Can See Forever.